RGTI stock analysis and RGTI stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm breaking down my exact play for Thursday and onwards. Look, I'm the only guy in this space that's done 42,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything, so you can check out how much videos I've done. So I'm seeing what's actually printing me money and what's not. Even like with this thing in particular, the whole, swing bias and the higher time frame structural setup was cut out here when they were sitting at 848, looking to take it to 16. That's a double. And you look, it's not a small deed, but it was a fancy setup for me if the rules got met, and this is just 2 months ago. And since then, rules got met, took this swing, then I took 2 more longs in this lower time frame, got like 1 break even here, which I probably have to just mark, it's not plus 2R, it's plus 0R. And if this doesn't give me any sort of double break, then there's just no way that I'll be looking to take it further up, right? So just waiting for that shift, very simple. And if it doesn't happen, then I guess I'm not gonna buy at this exact point. So I'll keep you updated. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per one trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.